I deserve a kiss.
Yeah, I do. Wow.
Can I ask you another question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do I have a chance to be your boyfriend?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. What is that thing in your hair?
They're like braids.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It suits you.
Thank you.
Are those black? Yeah, I can see it's
Well, my
black.
hair is black and blue. I don't
Wow, so colorful. May I see again? Shims. I like blue. This is my favorite color.
Even the braids are blue. Look.
I love you. Blue, I mean.
I want you to stay.
I
So
love
sorry.
you too. And
Oh wow. How old are you first of all?
I'm 23. How old are you?
23? No way. Why you look so young?
Thank you. Thank you.
Where are you from?
Romania, but not originally.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm French.
French. What's your name?
My name is Ankh.
Anks?
Yeah, I have a necklace with it as well. Hold on. It's Ankh. I mean, you can't see shit. It's very bad.
Ank. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
So unique name, huh?
Yeah. It comes from an Egyptian cross. That's my mom's inspiration.
Oh, okay, that's why.
What's your name?
You can call me Maku.
Maku?
Yeah. You know how to spell it?
Maku.
Yeah, you don't know?
No.
Right away, dead and buried. Left to lose without my
And actually I'm looking for something here.
What are you looking for?
Your Instagram.
Oh my god. So funny.
birds of a feather. We should stick together.
I got you.
Okay, let's talk a bit more, and after that, I promise you I'll give you my.
Okay, tell me more about yourself. What's your hobby?
I used to sing, but then I got too bullied about it, so I just stopped.
Come on, you have to be confident. Should try.
What are your hobbies?
Play games.
What games do you play?
Oh, Valorant.
Hold on, what's your agent? What's your main agent on Valorant?
You play Valorant?
All the fucking time. You wanna play now?
Daddy, chill.
It's really late now. I can.
You're so.
We can play together sometimes. Well, not right now. You know the time here?
Most of the time.
It's time to be your boyfriend. You're joking. No, I'm just joking. Almost 4 a.m.
Also, you're just joking? Okay. Hold on, I don't have makeup on right now, but let me show you how I look with makeup.
Il y a des regards qui sont durs à oublier, des regards dans lesquels on est prêt à se noyer pour toujours.
Okay.
This is me playing Valorant.
Oh, I like your setup. You should stream.
I won't. This is also me. What else? This one. Okay, so.
Can I have your Instagram? I want to check those videos.
Okay.
Maybe, like to stalk you.
Easy!
Go ahead, stop me.
Acum e momentul să-ți faci prietenul gelos, el îți vorbește urât, eu îți vorbesc foarte frumos.
Okay, what's your type?
My type? My type? Oh, the girl wearing white and I like her hair.
Birds of a feather. We should stick together.
Well, I don't usually wear white. This is just
Okay,
my pajama.
okay. My type is like funny girl. Yeah. What about you? What's your type? Are you into Asian?
Oh,
you often here, right? And maybe you meet some Asians here. They're friendly.
No, they're not.
Nope.
Okay, I'm friendly. We can be friends.
Thank you. At least you. Well, now I have one Asian friend.
Oh, I'm the only Asian friend you have now. Okay, I'm so glad.
Yeah.
Maybe become
Am I
first
the only
boyfriend as
French
well.
friend you have? What?
Huh?
What?
Huh? Nothing. No, you're the first French. You're attractive for me. I don't know if you will believe it. To my eyes, I got small eyes, but I can see you.
No.
What was that racist ass joke you just said? Why are you putting racism upon yourself?
Okay, do you think my eyes are beautiful? I think it is.
Yeah, they are.
Because you're in them.
Thank you, I appreciate it. How are you so flirty? You're pretty flirty for an Asian guy.
My eyes are not that small. Yeah, and I also wear
Take your glasses
eyeglasses.
off. Take your glasses off. Let me see.
I can see you.
And I can see your eyes because of your hair. Yeah, they're actually not that small.
Yeah. My eyeglasses are useless.
Why wear them then?
I mean, like, useless now because you are beautiful with or without.
Can you see me in your future, maybe?
Ah,
What is that?
you know the time here, right? It's actually.
Yeah.
So I'm living in the future.
Oh!
I can see our future.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, it's actually almost 10 p.m. for me.
10?
10 p.m., yeah.
Have you eaten?
No.
Nope.
If you don't feel hungry. But don't skip. How tall are you?
I'm 160. How tall are you?
160? Okay. I'm 178.
That is nice. You seem shorter.
Well, I think that's an average height. Because I'm Asian, you know. Asians are small.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Compare.
No.
Come on, come on.
What is
Um.
that?
Oh! I'm sorry.
I'm in the average height compared to Western country. That's what I mean. Shorter, shorter. That's,
Okay, okay.
okay.
Got you.
I don't know what you're thinking.
I'm not thinking anything. My brain is very smooth. I don't have a lot of thinking.
Okay, yeah. What are you using? Your phone, laptop?
I'm using my laptop.
Also, I'm in your side. Like,
What?
left side. I'm in your left side.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're right here. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, that's a perfect heart.
Hold on, let me take a picture of that.
So cute.
Put it back. Put it back.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, fuck, I'm stupid.
And yeah, it's really late here, but I can't feel. I don't feel sleepy. I don't know why.
It's because of me.
Well, you know the time right here. It's really late.
4 a.m.
Let me show you. Yeah. It's 4 a.m. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. You see?
Okay, that's fancy. That's very sweet. Damn. You're crazy, man. You're crazy.
I like my wallpaper right now. She's my girlfriend.
Wait.
What is your girlfriend? Is this one, right?
Maybe you can join to my live stream sometimes.
I would love to.
Yeah, I will introduce you to my supporters. Hey guys, this is my future girlfriend.
Hey, that would be rude. Just tell them I'm your girlfriend.
Did I make you smile, Ank?
Yeah. Yeah.
I deserve a kiss.
Yeah, I do. Mwah.
Can I ask you another question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do I have a chance to be your boyfriend?
Absolutely.
Yeah, shawty